This machine is easy to operate. It's designed to provide a simple and efficient screen protector cutting experience with just 30 seconds. First, you need to connect the power cables, then press the power button. Second, connect to Wi-Fi to access a vast database covering almost all brands and models. Click the phone to choose brand and model. There are more than 6,000 brands and models here. All popular mobile phone models on the market are available here, like Apple, Samsung, and Huawei. Let's use this iPhone 12 Pro as an example. Now, we'll place the material into the machine. Just a gentle touch, the machine will automatically suck it in. Next, we search for the relevant phone model on the machine. Here, we'll use searching for iPhone 12 Pro as an example. As you can see, all the film data supported by this model will be displayed here. Eventually, choose the type you want. Then click Start Cutting. The machine now prompts you to adjust the knife pressure and needle length. You can go back to the system settings and adjust your knife pressure parameters. Next, you need to manually adjust the length of your blade array. Rotate to the desired length in the direction indicated by the arrow. Once you've completed these preparations, you can begin cutting. The precise blade cuts the film effortlessly in just seconds. After 30 seconds, a brand new film can be completely cut. Once finished, gently pull out and peel off the film. Align the film precisely onto the screen. And use the squeegee to push out any bubbles. Finally, scrape away the air bubbles again. Then peel off the top release layer for a smooth and flawless finish. Enjoy seamless touch response and high clarity, just like an original screen. This screen protector cutting machine is smart, versatile, and inventory-free.